We can also use inline styles for styling our components, similar to how we can use them in HTML and CSS. It's not something that I recommend because inline styles make our code hard to read and maintain. So you should save them for very special cases. So all the HTML elements, like the UL element, have a style prop that we can set to an object. So inside the braces, we add an object. Now we can also create that object outside of the markup. Now in this object, we can set various CSS attributes. For example, we can set background color to yellow. So all the CSS attributes that you're familiar with are available here, but they are named differently. So instead of background-color, here we have background color named using camel casing. Again, this way of styling is considered a bad practice, so you should save them as the last resort.